Yeah.
Oh, you are?
Letting it sink in those pads.
Oh, I'm not good.
We got one, guys. Little male. The spawn is on, and we are out here looking for old girl. So y'all stay tuned. I think one of us is going to catch a big fish today. Got one. Finally, I had to let him eat. Scott's hooked up. Oh, nice. It looks like a nice fish.
Got the net?
Oh, you got him on braid. Just swing him. Hit him with the swing. There you go.
Fuck yeah!
That's what we're out here for. I got him.
Oh, yeah.
Nice fish.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. Female, probably up there on a bed. Come here, girl. Oh. It's on that CPF Lures Stickler Pro 5.5 June bug with a blue tail. Good looking fish.